So, good day everyone. So, in this video, I'm introducing passes. So, in a nutshell, let me quickly take you through the passes. What is passes, and also why did we do passes? So, this is the passes light paper. So, I think let me take you through the little about the passes. Let me first go to the abstraction, right? So, in a summary, right, passes is a fully centralized payment protocol built on app network. So it enables you to add payment to share your payment link. Is it maybe for your business, um for your like a business, for your schools, for your work, for everything. You can share your payment link for the payer, and also you can share it on social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, and everywhere else. And also we have escrow agreement, right? We have an escrow agreement, a trustless solution for a deal for traders, right? Without bank and or intermediate, right? Only you and smart contract. So also these are the main field we focus on this protocol, right? So we have two smart contract on this protocol. We have passes link, the passes set. So right now we have three main function on the system. There is passes link, a payment link registry that lets users create shareable payment page and route USDC payment directly from payer to receive on chain. And also we have passes save, a trustless escrow system that locks USDC in smart contract until predefined conditions are met with built-in dispute and resolution. And also we have passes identity, a decentralized naming system where payment links locked double as human, reliable, identifier, replaceable wallet address, and also across a platform. Also we have passes process and ensure repetition profile that aggregate deal history, earning completion rate, and everything. So this is also clipboard compromisation, right? So if wallet is complex for you, maybe to confirm is this the right destination or it has been compromised. So passes have solved this for you. You can just create a payment link, and also a payer will pay you directly on chain. It will rotate automatically on chain via smart contract. You we have like three types of payment link. You can create group tracking, you can create for fixed amount of money, you can create for open tips or donation. So these are the methods for payment link, right? Pre-fill payment request. We have a place a field for description why this is for the business of that, and also why is this payment, and also the description. We have the QR code method, we have group contribution, and also open tips. You can create open tips payment for contribution or donation. And also we get an instant receipt, and also we have the exclusive. So this is everything that goes in this platform is 100% on chain. There is no database, no custodian, no sign up, fully transparent. Every link, every description, every name, every business is live on chain. You can view it and also verify. So right now, let me take you through the process. First of all, this create payment link, right? We need to connect the wallet. So my MetaMask, I previously connected my MetaMask. That's why the MetaMask pop-up did not come up. So as I was saying earlier, the payment link, we have three types of payment link, right? We have fixed amount, open tips, and also group split. So the only difference is fixed amount, you are the one that will set the fixed amount of USDC. Let's say for example 10 USDC, and also you type your business name and the description. So let's say this is gaming, this is for the right? And then also we have custom link ID. So if you want your payment link to be customized, like passes slash Magic, right? You want your payment link, everyone to know that this is the payment link for this person, for this third person, right? Or you want your include your business name or something like that. So right now we can create, let's create the fixed amount, also custom link. because if you can, the reason why the custom link ID is optional, you can create with random alphanumeric, right? You just get a random alphanumeric as your payment identification link, but you can, for example, include um, your username ID or some or a business name, right? So let's create link using a link. So right now, one thing about the process is we have a sponsorship smart contract in our smart contract. So we'll check your wallet first. If you don't have enough USDT to sponsor the fee, so definitely we got an admin wallet that will sponsor the fee for you. So even if you are a new user, because the fee is just 0.006, that's almost zero. So if you are a new user, you're not familiar with the gas fee or all these Web3 basics, so you can just create wallet and also connect it to the Parcis platform, create a payment link, and you get your payment link even if you don't have a fee. So just need to sign a normal sign in for confirmation to make sure that the wallet is yours. So right now, because I have some USDC in my wallet, this is why you would see the transaction request. But even if I don't have a USDC, it will automatically sponsor it for me. So if you click confirm, as you can see here, the platform is very fast. As I click immediately, the pop-up come on. So right now we have generated a payment link for fixed amount and also with our custom name ID on it. So this is the QR code. You can scan it with your mobile phone. You can share it on your WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter. You can copy the link. So let me show you how the UI looks, how the payment UI looks. So I'm gonna do MetaMask. So this is how the payment UI looks, right? Looks very cool. This is the name of the payer as used as I put it earlier. This is the description and also this is the amount of USDC the payer gonna pay, and also we can scan from our mobile. So I can even view the creator's portfolio from this tab, right? If maybe I'm gonna pay him work or something like that. So I can view his portfolio. So after we have created a link, right? I said earlier we have three types of link. One text group slip. So I don't want this video to be long. So let's keep this two because the only difference from between them is open tips is you let the payer decide how much he wanted to send for so as I was saying, this was the one of the good features on Parcis. One thing about the Parcis platform, it's all about solving problems, right? We have solved problem of address optimization, and also this is Parcis, the solution between two strangers where trust is critical issue, right? So let me quickly take you through the parts itself. So these are the major three things we have put in the part system. So you will lock USDC in a smart contract on blockchain. So neither party can access it until the deal comes on it. So if someone create a passive set SQ and found it, so for example between client and worker. So and also there is a middleman, let's say as a judge. So they can create escrow and also fund it, and also um, the fund will transfer to the worker based on the so I think let me take you through the platform and also you see how to work. So proof of delivery, the worker will submit the developed code on chain, and also it's everything as I said, yeah, everything works on chain very fast. So if I create this SQL for example, so this is how it looks creating the SQL. So I'll put the let's say the deal title as a web design, and also this is also so an amount of BP. For example, I'm creating this as a client, right? Let's say 10 USDC, and also the deadline for the job to be submitted. Let's do it like this. And also the workers address or passes link. So this is what we have solved. So for example, since if you create something on chain is immutable. So if maybe you don't know is this worker give you address and also you copy it and paste it in here. Maybe clipboard is compromised, you don't know. So Parcis have saved this for you. For example, I can just put the Parcis payment link for the worker, right? Let's say I create an open tips in this section. I create open tips, right? Open tips. Let's say the Let me quickly create an open tips payment link. This is right. Generate link. So I can even use the fixed amount, but let me create this um for the open test first because it's more easier to see it with the open test right on my wallet. So this is how the open tips looks as I see it. You let the sender choose amount of USDC you want to send. Let's say I want to send 90, I want to send 100 USDC or thousands of USDC. So I have this open tips and also I submit it to the client so he put it here, right. I pasted it here and also we have the habitat. So habitat is like the judge between you people because mostly you get referred by someone who you trust or he trusts you, but between you and the client we are both strangers. So between client and worker are strangers, but mostly there will be a middleman between them, right? Who trusts, for example, the worker or the client. So he will be the judge between you people, and also he also can put his passes payment link or address so that you have some decision to make between the two. So neither client or worker cannot cheat. None of them can cheat it because there is a judge between them. There is someone who has been trusted. So and also everything is safe on chain. So by default, the habitat is you, the client, right? You just create the escrow and also you and it says there is no one between in the middle. You are the one that will make the judgment on everything. And also with the terms and condition that even the worker has been agreed with that. So let's create the escrow there. I left the import that this fields empty. So I want you to notice something. If I create this, if I click this includer, it's resolving the above blockchain. So quickly go and look for my wallet address with this username on the blockchain. So the system found it. This is my wallet address. So I think I got another wallet in this Chrome, right? So this is my one of the wallet I've tested the platform with. So let me test it here, right? It is good. So what the this name on chain. That's why I said if you did not put your custom username, the platform will generate alphanumeric for you as this one looks like, right? Alphanumeric payment ID for you. So this is this is the transaction to create the escrow. So if I click confirm, so the escrow has been created and also is live on blockchain. You can definitely view it because I have signed a transaction. So this is we have a web design escrow created. This is the data that we created. This is also the demo. This is the amount and also this is the deadline. We have our deadline here. We have the client address, the habitat, and also the worker's address. So right now I will need to fund the escrow. So I'll sign two transaction, approve spending of USDC and also funding the escrow. So as you can see, the platform is very fast. Once I click confirm on the MetaMask, even before the pop-up display, the transaction has been submitted. So this is for the spending. So now we're requesting for deducting 10 USDC from my wallet. So I have successfully funded this escrow. So if I go to my another wallet, right? My another um my another browser, let me let me copy this deal. If I copy this deal, also paste it here because you need to share the deal ID for the worker as a client, right? We have as a worker, this is my I use this account as a worker. So this is my worker's address and also it indicates that this is me. So let's say I've finished the job, so I need to submit deliverable, right? This is my, for example, is a website or maybe a Figma design, so I can easily submit the link or something like that. So let's submit this link as a design demonstration. So, also, the reason why you are seeing transaction every time is because everything is live on chain. So there is no database. You just cross the code, cross the mass, and also the smart contract. I click confirm. So I now submitted the work, deliver, and everything on chain. As I said, everything is on chain. Even the proof of delivery, the deliverable proof, everything is on chain. If I come to this profile, definitely see that um this profile that this the the the, the, the worker has provided a deliverable, right? He has submitted this as a deliverable. So if I approve this and also release, or I can raise dispute. So if I approve it and confirm the release of USDC, so so the transaction has been successfully done. So first what we did is to create the escrow, then we funded it on chain, we moved USDC from our wallet to a smart contract, and also right now we released the USDC, the 10 USDC to the worker. So if I come to this dashboard, you'll see we have 19 USDC here, but before we have only 9 USDC here. And also this is the escrow I created because it's interacted with its wallet, so we have escrow here. The web design and share has been completed, so the status is completed. So also we have a clean dashboard. As you can see here, we have, you can view your payment link that you created, the notes, and also you can view on-chain portfolio. So this is its wallet. Create on Meet and 6. We have total trades, and 10 USDC as a worker, and also spend 10 USDC as a client. So I tested it as a client before. So also these are the completed thing that you've done, right? These are the completed work, achieve the active deals, and also the payment links. So you can also verify everything on the Axcan Explorer. So as I said, everything is live on chain. So for example, if I check this transaction, the recent transaction is wallet hub. So if we check this the wallet transaction, we'll definitely see that yes, everything live on chain, right? We don't have any database or local storage or anything like that. So you see we have called the submit deliverable.